Yeah, they ended up canceling that shit. A lot of people just left LA. If they would have waited, we could have been racing right now. Actually, it's not bad. But yeah, it is what it is. They said they might still have another race by the end of the year, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm contemplating running some practice laps, but I don't feel like getting my car all muddy and having to clean it. So yeah, it's just not worth it. Then again, who knows? Maybe I will. All right, y'all. That's a wrap for me. G3RC. It's the end of this season for them. And then I think they said they're going to tear it down and redo it in February. And that's when I'll be back here. But I'm still going to be hunting for other tracks. I met a couple other people today, so they're going to point me in the right direction. Let's go. That's the one thing about North Carolina, you know you always want to eat good, bro. Talk about some fucking customer appreciation, bro. You get like crab, shrimp, fucking little mini glizzies and shit. And I don't even fuck with seafood, but this shit hit, bro. For real.